Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best HP photo printers that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Coming in at number 5, we have the NV6555E wireless all-in-one color inkjet printer. This is the budget-friendly option on our list, priced at just $119.99. But don't let the price fool you. It still packs a solid set of features. Designed with home users in mind, this printer excels at printing everyday documents and vibrant borderless photos. It boasts a dual-sided printing feature, a 35-sheet automatic document feeder, and a 100-sheet input tray, which makes it suitable for light home office use as well. The design is sleek and compact, weighing only 13.5 pounds, making it ideal for smaller spaces. Its intuitive 2.4-inch touchscreen allows for easy navigation, while the dual-band Wi-Fi ensures reliable wireless connectivity. Performance-wise, the NV6555E offers decent speeds, up to 7 ppm for color and 10 ppm for black and white prints. While it may not be the fastest printer on the list, it delivers consistent quality with HP's P3 photo printing technology. Pros include its affordability, ease of use, and solid photo printing quality. On the downside, it has a lower input sheet capacity compared to higher-ranked models, and its print speeds are on the slower side. Overall, the NV6555E is perfect for budget-conscious users who want reliable photo printing without breaking the bank. At number 4, we have the HP NV6155E wireless all-in-one color inkjet printer. This model is slightly more advanced than the NV6555E, featuring similar capabilities but with improved build quality and design. Weighing just 11.28 pounds, this lightweight printer is perfect for home users who need a versatile, compact device. It offers dual-sided printing, a 100-sheet input tray, and borderless photo printing, making it a great choice for family use or small home offices. Performance-wise, the NV6155E delivers speeds of up to 7 ppm for color and 10 ppm for black and white prints, matching the 6555E. Its standout feature is the intuitive 2.4-inch touchscreen, which streamlines the printing, scanning, and copying process. Additionally, it supports HP's Instant Ink service, giving users 3 months of ink included with activation. Connectivity is seamless with dual-band Wi-Fi, ensuring stable wireless printing from smartphones and computers. While the NV6155E is an excellent all-rounder, its major drawback is its slower print speeds compared to premium models. Pros include its lightweight design, user-friendly interface, and reliable photo printing capabilities. However, users looking for faster performance or higher input capacities may need to consider higher-ranked options on this list. At number 3 on our list is the HP SmartTank 7301 wireless all-in-one cartridge-free ink printer. If you're printing in high volumes and looking for cost efficiency, this model is a clear winner. It comes with 2 years of ink included, which translates to up to 8,000 color or 6,000 black and white pages right out of the box. Perfect for families or small businesses. The SmartTank 7301 features a 250-sheet input tray and a 35-page automatic document feeder, making it capable of handling larger print jobs with ease. Design-wise, the SmartTank 7301 is slightly larger than other models, but its gray finish gives it a professional look. It supports wireless connectivity and mobile printing, ensuring effortless setup and usability. With print speeds of up to 15 ppm for black and 9 ppm for color, it's faster than the lower-ranked options. Additionally, the borderless photo printing capability and vivid color output make it a solid choice for creative projects. The main pros of this printer are its cost-effective ink system, high input capacity, and reliable performance. However, its slightly higher weight and bulkier design may not suit users with limited space. Overall, this printer is ideal for users who prioritize efficiency and long-term savings on ink. Taking the second spot is the Envy Inspire 7955E wireless color inkjet printer. Priced at $149.99, this model strikes a balance between affordability and premium features, making it an excellent option for home users who want high-quality prints without the premium price tag. The 7955E offers advanced photo features, including a dedicated photo tray for borderless printing in a variety of sizes. With print speeds of up to 15 ppm for black and 10 ppm for color, it's a step up from the lower-ranked models. The design is clean and modern, with a 2.7-inch touchscreen for intuitive navigation. It supports dual-sided printing and includes an automatic document feeder, making tasks like scanning and copying more efficient. The HP Smart App integration allows users to print directly from their phones, as well as access advanced features like mobile fax and multi-item recognition. The 3-month instant ink subscription ensures you won't run out of ink during critical moments. Pros of the Envy Inspire 7955E include its excellent photo printing capabilities, faster print speeds, and advanced features. On the downside, the initial setup may require an HP account, and the printer works exclusively with original HP ink. Overall, this is a fantastic choice for families or creative users who value vibrant photo printing and versatility. And finally, at number 1, we have the Envy Inspire 7255E wireless color thermal inkjet printer. Priced at $209.99, this premium option delivers top-notch performance and features for users who demand the best. It's perfect for home printing of high-quality color documents, borderless photos, and creative projects. With print speeds of up to 15 ppm for black and 10 ppm for color, it matches the 7955E but adds a layer of refinement with faster connectivity and enhanced build quality. The design is sleek and professional, weighing just 15.2 pounds, and includes a built-in photo tray for seamless photo printing. The dual-band Wi-Fi with self-reset ensures stable and reliable wireless connections, and the HP Smart App integration offers advanced scanning features like multi-item recognition. The 7255E also supports the HP Plus subscription service, which provides automatic updates and cloud-based printing security. The pros of the Envy Inspire 7255E include its premium build, advanced connectivity, and excellent photo quality. However, the price tag may deter budget-conscious buyers. If you're looking for a high-performance photo printer that excels in every category, this is the one to beat. It's the perfect choice for creative professionals or families who want the best printing experience at home. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.